Hi, now I will show you how to replace the battery of the remote key fob. Um, you will need a tiny flathead screwdriver and then a brand new CR2032 battery. Hope it's in focus. Yeah, brand new CR2032 battery and a quarter to open the remote key fob. First, you need to take the key out. The way you take it out is you need to hold this and then take this out so the actual key comes out. This is the electronic key fob. So if you see there is a small gap, you have to take your quarter and then just slightly try to open it up, and then it has already opened. Yeah, so you got it, you opened it. Now take the tiny flathead screwdriver and then take it out. This is the old one. Take the new battery and put it back in. And put the cover in and just give a hard press so that everything latches back in. And see if it's working. And then take the key back, put it back in. Now you come back to the car and see if the notification has gone. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you. Thank you.